Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing very well. So, my name is Reena. I am a mother of two beautiful kids. Well, if you are a homemaker and you don't get time to practice your English, you can practice like this, like I do. Okay, let me tell you. So today I was cooking rice, so I got an idea that I should talk to myself and I should explain the whole process, okay, while doing everything. So first, let me tell you how to cook rice. Okay, in this video, we are going to learn in English how to cook rice. Okay, first, take 2 cups of rice, right? Sometimes I make mistakes in plural or singular. Okay, so take 2 cups of rice. After that, take a winnowing basket. You know what is a winnowing basket? In our language, we call it suppa. That is kind of a tray. It's a kind of a tray. Okay, so we take the rice in the suppa or the winnowing basket. Okay, after that we toss rice in order to remove dust. Then we pick out the stones, those little stones. Okay, after that, what we have to do, we have to take a bowl and put the rice in the bowl. After that, we should wash the rice at least 3 times until we get clean water. After that, we soak the rice for 15 minutes. Okay, why 15 minutes and why we soak rice? We soak rice to, let me think. Why do we soak rice? It is necessary to soak rice because it release starch. Okay, after that, or one more thing. When you cook rice, the rice will be fluffy. Okay, when you eat, you feel that आज राइस कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. After that, you have to transfer the bowl of rice into the pressure cooker. Okay, after that, you have to turn on the flame and put the lid on of the pressure cooker. Then again, you have to cook it for, let 3 whistle come. Okay, for 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. After that, you have to turn off the gas. Then check the rice. It smells so good. That means rice is cooked. Okay, so this is the whole process to cook rice. Well, I know I have made a lot of mistakes, but that's fine. I'm learning. Okay, so मिस्टेक करने से डरना नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं डरती थी और स्टिल मैं डरती हूँ, बट अब नहीं डरूंगी. ओके, सो you can also try. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.